chapter 9. 2 Samuel chapter 9.
2 Samuel chapitre 9.
2 Samuel chapter 9. David asked, "Is there anyone still left of the house of Saul? To him I can show kindness for Jonathan's sake." Now there was a servant of Saul. There was a servant of Saul's household named Ziba. They summoned him to appear before David. And the king said to him, "Are you Ziba?" "At your service," he replied. The king asked, "Is there no one still alive from the house of Saul, to whom I can show God's kindness?" Ziba answered the king, "There is still a son of Jonathan. He is lame in both feet." "Where is he?" the king asked. Ziba answered, "He is at the house of Micaiah, son of Amiel, in Lodebar." So King David had him brought from Lodebar, from the house of Micaiah, son of Amiel. When Mephibosheth, son of Jonathan, the son of Saul, came to David, he bowed down to pay him honor. David said, "Mephibosheth." "At your service," he replied. "Don't be afraid," David said to him, "for I will surely